Okay, this is a video response to a question um, posed by Lang. Thank you, Lang, for the question and for the sample files. The question is that a shape has been created in Illustrator, and how do you manipulate it in Photoshop with the step and repeat technique? So we're going to go through the steps here. Bring it in from Illustrator and prepare it for use in Photoshop. So here I am in Illustrator. Here's the shape. I'm going to select the shape, copy it, and then just go to Photoshop and paste it in. When you paste it, because it's coming from Illustrator and it is one, it's external, and two, it is it's a vector element. I have these options here to bring it in as one of four different possible types, and they range from smart object to pixels, path, shape layer. You can pick what you want, but if you pick something like a smart object, then if you edit it back in Illustrator, obviously then that edit will then show up in Photoshop. So that's kind of cool. We'll choose the smart object. My recommendation is you do anything except pixels, because with pixels, whatever it puts it in at, you're not going to be able to transform it, and we really need to be able to transform the element. Path and shape layer might be okay, but let's just do smart object for this video, for this response. So here I am. It is now a vector smart object. As a vector shape, we can do all kinds of things to it. We can make it bigger and whatnot. That's maybe the first thing that we'll do. I will, first of all, let's grab this, and let's make it bigger. First of all, let's say I see there's already this shape already in the design, but we'll just do it again. So I'm just going to place it right here around the inner center of this form, and commit that transformation. So I made it bigger, and because it's vector, it's going to look very clean. Now, here's the part that I think was the key to this question. To do a transformation on this element, we've got to make a copy of it and turn it into a raster element. So I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to hide this vector smart object because maybe I want to use it again later for something. But now with this, I'm going to rasterize this smart object. So I'm going to bring it into the realm of all these other design elements. Okay, so now as a vector smart object, I can transform it the way I would anything that I want to be working with in this design. So I'm going to, for instance, anchor it to center and then rotate it like that, let's say. Well, let's do that. Let's go 45. Okay, commit that. And now I can create as many of these as I need to, and this is probably like what this shape, the goal of this shape was to get it in some kind of step and repeat. So let's put this together. So the key again is if you're bringing things in from Illustrator and their vector, get the basic size down before you create a raster version so that you can put it into a pattern. At this point here, if I want to put a color on it, I can do that very easily. I can just bring in this solid color. Let's say we want to make it turquoise. Set turquoise, clip it to the group, and now it's turquoise. Okay, so and I still have the the original vector over here. So if I want to keep on doing something with this, I can. All right, put that back. All right, thanks a lot, guys.